Here at Raptor, we fielded a lot of questions lately with all the new makes and models out there. How do you verify that your drone is in compliance? First, I'm going to show you how to check FAA approval. Go to regulations.gov. In the search bar, put the docket ID number, which is FAA-2023-1271. This link and the information will be in the video description below. I always change this filter to post the newer so you get the most recent list. The FAA will update these as new makes and models come out. You can download it here. And it will list all the aircraft that are approved to operate with your 44807 exemption, along with their approved maximum takeoff weight. Just make sure your drone is listed on here at that max takeoff weight. The change yesterday wasn't actually adding any new makes and models, but what the FAA did was add an appendix. If you are wanting to fly any of these aircraft, you will need a specific exemption for those. So that was a new change yesterday. I also want to show you, if you go to the docket here, the primary docket, you can actually subscribe to this. And when you subscribe, when the FAA will update the list, you'll get an email notification. So you can keep kind of more up to date there too. Next, while we're here, I'm going to show you how to check on your exemption or search by aircraft if something is pending. You can actually type a company name here, and it'll bring up any pending request or the exemption. A lot of the manufacturers are doing the exemptions themselves, but for example, any company can submit for new aircraft approvals too. So you'll see you won't see XAG as a manufacturer submitting it, but it will be. For example, P150 Max, it'll still come up. Here's another example where you can search for the Weedatech, which is Vector's company for the remote control. That's the HD402, and you'll be able to see. Now, we already know that Cirrus partners with Vector for the remote control and other components, but you need to ask Revolution why they're piggybacking off Vector's approval here. Okay, third, I'm going to show you how to check your drone's remote ID compliance for the FAA. So you can Google search FAA RID DOC and it'll come right up, but we also have this link in the description below. If your drone is standard remote ID, which means it's built in, then you'll search by make or model. If you are needing a third-party broadcast module for your remote ID, then you'll search by that make or model. For example, like the drone tag. It will show you which modules already have their FAA compliance. For XAG here, it will bring up each XAG model. We got Cirrus here and Weedatech. When you pull up your make and model, hit view here, and then it will show the declaration of compliance, even the FCC identifier also, but you can hit view. This shows the serial number range. So 21298 is actually the prefix for the remote ID, and then all Vector drones will start with a 5300 for their serial number. If you do not find your remote ID compliance by searching your drone make and model, definitely go back and check in with the person or the company you bought it from and ask to see the declaration of compliance. All right, last but not least, especially with all the new FCC changes, here is how you check your FCC compliance. Again, the link is below, but this is the FCC's equipment authorization search. Now, I will say that this search is definitely more precise, but the easiest way is to do it right here in the applicant name. Manufacturers are the ones that have to request these, unlike the FAA approval, which can be coming from any company. So you'll just put the manufacturer straight in here, and it will show you those authorizations. XAG is actually under X Aircraft, similar with DJI. It's their full company name. So you'll see those, and a lot of them have additional pages for the manufacturers that have been around a little longer. Again, just like with the rest of your compliance, if you are not easily finding your drone's make and model authorization, definitely reach back out to the person or the company you purchased your drone from and get more information so you know that you are in compliance with that drone. That was helpful and answered a lot of questions that we've been asked lately. If y'all have any more questions or concerns, you can drop comments down below, or you can visit our website, raptordynamic.com. You can also reach out to us on all of our socials or call 309-361 7656, and we're happy to answer any other questions. Thanks, y'all. Take care. Fly safe and in compliance. Bye.